Is she trying to eat them?
Yeah.
Ew. Who does that? Not cats. You're gonna fall, little cat. Is she?
Ew.
She wants that bubble so bad. Hold on, just let her do it. I want to see her do that again. Yummy bubbles.
No.
Look at her. Look at her. It's not gonna get any better. Panda. Really? You want more or what? I know what you're thinking. Come on, baby. She's gonna fall. Panda, if she falls, she might scratch you, so you gotta, like, make sure to scoot that way.
But there's no room.
Pandy, are you the weirdest cat ever? Panda. What are you doing?